Is Welsh a Gaelic language? No, it isn't. What many of these commenters are getting wrong here is an easy assumption to make. It's a funny looking, strange sounding language that's been spoken on the British Isles for centuries, so therefore it must have something to do with Gaelic, Manx or Irish. But that is incorrect. Here are the facts. Welsh is a Brittonic language most closely related to Cornish and Breton. It evolved from British, a language spoken by the ancient Britons about 2,000 years ago, and it became its own distinct language around the 6th century. Welsh, alongside its Brittonic siblings, comes under the Celtic language tree, with the Gaelic or Gaelic languages on a separate branch. Here is a diagram to demonstrate. Another fact, there is no mutual understanding between Welsh and the language I speak, which is Scottish Gaelic. Here is a basic sentence. I like his band, Ons Gaelic. And then here's the same sentence in Welsh. Rwy'n hoffi eich band. Yeah. One final fact related to that previous sentence, the Gaelic alphabet only has 18 letters, Welsh has 29. In particular, the usage of W and Y, which you do not find in Gaelic whatsoever. So in summary, Welsh is a Brittonic language alongside Cornish and Breton. Those are separate from the Gaelic languages, which are Gaelic, Irish and Manx, and both are separate branches of the Celtic language tree. All clear? Scinnell. And the fit for this video has been You're Not You Anymore by Counterparts.